Can you see my screen? All right. Yeah, it's a kind of a one-way communication here. Not able to see the room, and also you're not able to see me. So good afternoon to all of you. It's morning here. I'm calling you from New Jersey, USA. So let me. Am I visible and audible? Any feedback? Anything coming on? Just want to make sure. Okay. All right. So yeah. It's a little difficult to just talk to you from like this, but I'll try my best to connect with you, give a little bit of a glimpse of what I do and some case studies from the industry. So I have kept my presentation very simple, very free flowing, and very straightforward. So let's get started on it. So yeah, in the next 20 minutes, what we'll do is we'll just have some fun. And since I'm not in the room with you, I am missing on the opportunity to connect with all of you. So what I will do is I'll try to, connect with you in the first few minutes, about who I am, and just to make the connections so that we can speak in the future. So that is the business problem statement that we were faced with. Now, that's a business problem. Now, what is the actual problem? So you have to understand that there's a business problem. Now you have to go through the economics of it, the environment of the whole situation to understand what is the actual problem. Give them a ranked order, and then this customer care agent would be calling the people from the top. That's how we went it, and the results were really phenomenal. Like we saw that the increase in collection was almost 35 to 40%. So that's when this whole process got an approval, and we went into a formal implementation of this whole project. The algorithm was staged, and there was a pipeline for it. The whole pipeline and the ML ops and all this was done, and it was a whole operation. Now every customer care agent was using this, so the whole list was run through this algorithm every day in the morning. Is on sale, whose address is, let's say, this one. Now you are coming in, you are an user of the website, and you are coming in and bidding on this property one by one. So there were previous bids, like Richa bid at 655,000, Harry had bid 662, Rick had bid 665, and so on and so forth. So yeah. So once it is done, okay. So once it is done, once the auction time is over, the person who gives the highest bid wins that property, right? That means he is entitled to buy that property.